We're going apple picking, y'all. My first time apple picking. We're at Justice Apple Orchard out here near Asheville, North Carolina. But it looks like there's quite a few people here today. But yeah, it feels really good. The weather's nice.
Do you mind if I grab this?
Yes, that right there. This one. Now just look at all these apples. My goodness. There's so many apples. And my favorite. So far, I haven't tried any other ones that are like freshly picked. I might like some other ones too. Brad's got himself a bushel. Well, not a bushel, but a basket. And if you fill it up, you can get a whole bushel. There's a bee that was following you. Yeah, I think a wagon's a good idea. Look at them all on the ground. And you can get that. Should we get the picker thing? Getting the picker. Apparently they can be out of your reach. So you just get one of these. All right, I'm gonna go pick this apple. This is an ambrosia apple that's hanging off this tree. Here it is. I actually picked one. There's very few of them hanging still because these were back in September. Look at this, this is so high for me. We'll see it. What happens when you're only 5'4.5"? I got it! I ate a leaf. And it's a good one. Has no bad spots or anything. That is a good one. We're gonna go look for more apple varieties now because the ambrosias were like very hard to find. So maybe some Honeycrisp, we'll see. There's Arkansas Black. The Mutsus are over there. They're like a green. You have a ladybug on your back. Yes. Let me grab her. Come here. Oh, she flew off. Here's some early pink ladies. Here's an early pink lady. It kind of tastes like lychee.
Yeah.
I'm going up to the Honeycrisp. Yay! Are they still on the plant? I don't see. Well, I mean, I see a tree, like one tree over there that has a bunch of fruit on it. You see that one?
Yeah.
But I don't know what that is.
That's a red John of Gold.
Oh, they're all gone.
Yeah.
So there really wasn't a whole lot to pick from, so we decided we would go see some animals because we kind of got there a little late to be picking apples. But we did end up going into the store and getting a few more from the bins that they had there.
She's adorable. You're cute too. You're all gray. Bowling pin would like you. So they have a really big lake where you can feed the duckies, and there's some animals back there. And then those are blackberries. All the little bushes. We are such animal people. Oh, look at the duckies. Like the picture. Nodding his head. That was cute. Is your name Buck? Yeah, your name is Buck. Yeah. Okay.
We pretty much finished picking apples after this, and I forgot to end this vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, be blessed.